record with my band Bear Jr. this past May or during Record Store Day, and they created a double album out of some stuff we had laying around, and it's for sale. I got it for sale, but this is a song.
It's the best record to come out of Nashville.
Yeah, and I'm doing it for you, man.
I promise you. It is a great fucking Nashville record.
Fuck
I promise
yeah.
you.
This is a true story, and it's a really mean song. And I wrote it. It's called "I'm in Love with You Because I Got Nothing Better to Do." And Charlie Robinson covered it.
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Well, I woke up early today and thought of 7 different ways. Like myself, less than you do, for any reason, false so true. While you dig me more than I dig myself, I'm in love with you, 'cause I got nothing better to do. Got nothing better to do. Well, I just fish for sympathy, for any reason different. You smile miles more than I do, so I just bounce me off of you. While you dig me more than I dig myself, I'm in love with you, 'cause I got nothing better to do. I got nothing better to do. You are given. Here I am. Parasite hearts coexisting. While you take me more than I take myself, and I'm in love with you, 'cause I got nothing better than you. Take me more than I take myself. I'm in love with you, 'cause I got nothing better to do. Got nothing better to do. Yeah.
There you do it.